Hi there guys, Richard here from the Leather Repair Company. This is the mould remover from our Saddle Care range. This is specifically designed for saddles and tack equipment and riding boots. So obviously with all of our trigger sprays from the Leather Repair Company, they come with a trigger that locks for safety reasons. Obviously just move the little black gadget to the left or right and this allows the trigger to pump correctly. It'll eventually get the fluid to come through the tube inside the bottle and out the top of the spray head. So obviously mould is quite a dangerous problem. It's quite dangerous for your health, for inhaling. It can cause severe problems, can be fatal, so you have to be very, very careful with the removal of mould on any item that you've got. Obviously, as we know, stables and tack rooms are very, very damp places in most cases. So obviously this can gain a lot of mould onto saddles and tack equipment and riding equipment, so you have to be very, very careful for the removal. So using the mould remover, the best thing to do is to first of all spray some onto the surface over the mould area. Then I would get a bamboo towel and spread it out over the mould and very, very gently mop that up so it encapsulates the mould inside the cloth. That way it saves those spores floating into the air and getting into your lungs and could be fatal, especially somebody with asthma or something like that. So this is how you would use the mould remover in the Saddle Care range. Once you've done that and mopped up the initial amount, I would then go over and spray a second coating on of the mould remover onto the surface. That's where you could then use a bamboo pad to scrub over the surface to remove any staining that's been caused by the mould that the mould remover has then got to remove a second time. Once you've done that and proceeded with cleaning with the mould remover, you can then go over to using the saddle soap cleaner. So that would then use, from the Saddle Care range, use the saddle soap cleaner, go over there and use the saddle soap cleaner to then clean up your leather tack equipment. That is how you would use the mould remover from our Saddle Care range at the Leather Repair Company. To find out further details and to purchase the product, head on over to our website, leatherrepaircompany.com.